I love the smell of it. I love the productivity of it in the sense that we're creating something every day. And the people. I love the people. I love asphalt. People can work anywhere else, but they choose to work here.
I would say I joined a family. The tenure here is like first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation of families that have worked here.
I've been in the asphalt business for 32 years. My father was working here, and then I came here in 1990.
People want to work here, people want to come to work.
One of the requirements to work at this company, or certainly to lead in this company, is humility. January 1st, we named the third son of the third owner as the president of our company. We introduced David as the new president. He received a standing ovation. So our mission is to develop remarkable employees. Most people would think it's lay more asphalt or make more money, but you can't do either one of those things without developing remarkable people.
The culture in the company is very good. What they do for the people, it just gives you a great feeling.
We spend a lot of time and effort training and enriching our employees to the best of our ability. My grandfather started our business 90 days before Pearl Harbor, if you can believe that. Fast forward to 1975, and Bob Service, who actually ran an asphalt plant here locally that we now own, called my father, and so they had lunch one day, and the rest is history. We're celebrating our 47th year this year. So exactly what did we do?
Superior Pavings have asphalt plants from Fairfax, Virginia, all the way to Spotsylvania, Virginia.
On an annual basis, we produce nearly 2 million tons of asphalt. We employ over 300 people. We find homes for that asphalt within about a 30-mile radius of each of our plants. We sell about a third of it, and then we'll pave any job except for a driveway all the way up to an interstate.
Get a great sense of pride in the community for everybody they help.
Roads are essential. We help people get to work every day.
Every last one of us is making sure that we are making the world a safer place.
We've got a plan and it's all fine, and we're making our customers happy and meeting our commitments, so it's great. How'd I do?